Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Google Play Opinion Rewards and signing in with the Google account you actually use to buy apps. Once signed in, complete the brief profile prompt so surveys match your demographics. Make sure to enable notifications and allow location access. This helps Google offer local, relevant surveys. Don't skip permission prompts. Accurate location and notifications increase survey frequency. After setup, you'll see a confirmation screen. Tap Done and wait for the first short survey to appear. Once you get a notification, open the app and take the survey right away because many expire. You should answer honestly and select concise options. Google values accurate responses over guessing, and that improves future matches. Most surveys are multiple choice or short selections, so move through them clearly but not hastily. After submission, the app credits your play balance in seconds. Make sure to confirm the credit amount and the new balance, so you track earnings and build up for a purchase. When you have credit, spend it directly in the Play Store on apps, books, or in-app items. It applies automatically at checkout. Once done, keep checking settings. The same Google account, location accuracy, and notification permissions all affect survey delivery. If surveys dry up, update the Opinion Rewards app and Google Play services, clear app cache, and confirm your account and language match your region. This often restores survey flow. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to refresh your profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.